Today, we're going to prepare 3 simple and easy recipes na perfect for your everyday meals. Pero mas masarap and special ito because we're using CDO Sweet Ham. So itong first recipe natin, perfect for breakfast, pwede din pang baon, and alam ninyo, pwedeng pang midnight snack, pang afternoon tea, pang merienda. Sosyal pakinggan, sosyal lang lasa, but super easy. This is Monte Cristo sandwich. So I'm going to start with my egg mixture. Pero bago pala yan, paiinitin ko na po yung ating griddle. Meron ako ditong stainless griddle. You can use ordinary pan. Okay? Ano lang, low to low medium flame. Painitin mo lang dyan. And then, let's prepare our egg mixture. So I have here 3 eggs. And lalagyan ko lang po yan ng cream. So put the cream. And I'll put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And you just beat this. Okay, so once this is smooth, pwede na po natin i-set up yan. Super dali. So meron ako ditong mga 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May pasobra. Na slices ng American bread or tasty bread. Pahiran lang natin ng konting mayonnaise per side. Okay, this recipe, makakagawa ka po ng 4 na sandwich. Of course, pwede ka din gumamit ng whole wheat bread. If you want, you can use brioche. And ang kagandahan dito, hindi kailangan bago yung tinapay. Now, let's add our CDO Sweet Ham. It's made with 100% premium pork slices, kaya magiging tender and meaty ang ating sandwich. So, ayan, ganito lang po kadali. Ipila mo yung mga ham mo dyan. And then, papatungan natin ng cheese slice. And then, another slice of our CDO Sweet Ham. Ayan, takpan mo. And then, ipa-flat lang natin ng konti lang. Walang pressure, yung flat na parang, yung nagpapabebe flat ka. Ganyan. We're doing this to ensure na hindi maghihiwalay yung sandwich later on. Okay? And then that's it. This step, you can prepare ahead of time. Pwede mo nang ilagay sa fridge, i-plastic wrap mo. And now, we're ready to pan fry this. So, naka-preheat na yung ating skillet or yung ating griddle. Lalagyan ko lang ng konting oil and butter. Pag kasi puro butter, mabilis po masusunog. Mabilis siya magba-brown. So, nilagyan natin ng oil. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Low flame lang po tayo ha, low flame. I-dip na natin pa isa-isa yan dito sa ating eggs and cream mixture. When you dip it, talagang ilulubog mo siya. And then, ipila mo dyan. Ay, nako. And hindi lang maganda, masarap pa. May isa pa po ako dito, ha? I'm going to cook this. And then ready na ang ating breakfast. Oh, ayan. So, lunchtime na. Ano naman ang masarap pang lunch? Siyempre, fried rice. So, this is ham fried rice. First, I have here approximately 3 cups of cooked rice na medyo malamig na. Malamig na talaga siya. Ayan, hinahawak-hawakan ko. And then into this, I'm going to put 3 egg yolks, splash of cooking oil, and let's season this with salt and black pepper. So, ayan, pagsasama-samahin mo lang yan muna para ma-coat yung kada butil ng cooked rice mo with the egg yolk and oil mixture para fluffy yung fried rice and malasa. As we mix this, buksan na natin yung apoy. High flame naman po dito para lutong-luto talaga yung ating fried rice. Okay. So, ayan, umuusok na yung wok. Put more oil. More oil. And then, uunahin ko yung egg whites. So, yung egg yolks nandito sa kanin. Yung egg whites nandito naman, lagay mo dyan sa wok natin. Okay? Our rice. And now let's add our CDO sweet ham. It has a balanced sweet and salty flavors that will give a sweet, meaty sarap sa ating fried rice. Lagay na din natin ang mixed vegetables. Ayan. My God. Ang bango. Oh, ayan. Luto na siya. Lunch is ready. Pwedeng pambaon, pwede din pang dinner. Now, dinner naman or pang-ulam or actually, ito pong lulutuin natin na ito, masarap din kung gagawin mong sauce ng pasta. This is sipo egg with lots of ham. So, ayan, magigisa muna tayo. This is butter. And lagyan mo ng konting mantika para hindi po mabilis masunog ang butter. Garlic. Etong dish na to, ang dali-daling gawin, pero pag sa handaan, alam mo yon yung pag tinignan mo, napaka-festive, napaka-bongga po. Onions. Let's season this with a bit of salt. And then let's put our cream. This is just plain heavy cream. You can use all-purpose cream. 1 piece of chicken broth cube. You can also use pork broth cube. Water. Mag-iiwan lang ako ng konti for our slurry. Ayan, isimmer mo lang yan. Okay, so ayan, pagka kumukulo na siyang ganyan, kumukulo na yung ating cream and water mixture, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating iba pang mga ingredients. So, ito, simulan na natin dito. I have here quail eggs, hard-boiled. Bubuhos mo lang lahat yan. And then, syempre, ilalagay na natin ang ating CDO sweet ham to upgrade this everyday dish into a flavorful creation. And then our vegetables, mixed vegetables. We have here carrots and corn, and then green peas. Ganun lang po kadali. So, binuhos-buhos lang natin lahat. And then now, you're just going to bring this into a quick boil. Pero ang gagawin ko po, lalagyan ko siya ng slurry. So, I have here a tablespoon of cornstarch. Lagyan mo na konting tubig. Let's mix. And then that's it. A little bit of black pepper. And then pagkulo po niyan, mas lalapot yan. And then ready na siya. And now our favorite part, tikman na natin. So let's start with the Monte Cristo sandwich. Hahatiin ko po sa gitna para makita niyo yung loob. Wow. Tignan mo naman yan, oh. Tikman natin. So good. Mga dear, ang sarap. Naging tender and meaty talaga yung ating sandwich. And napakadaling gawin. Yun ang gusto ko dito. Ang sarap and ang daling gawin. And now, the fried rice. My favorite fried rice. This is so good. Nandun talaga yung sweet, meaty sarap. Now, let's try the sipo egg. Ang sarap. Na-upgrade talaga ng ham ang flavor. Actually, perfect din po. Ito ipapartner mo dun sa fried rice. Pero perfect din. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba? With pasta, magpakulo ka ng spaghetti or any noodles of your choice, ilagay mo sa ibabaw. O diba, yung mga simple dishes natin, mas nagiging special and delicious pag nilagyan natin ng CDO Sweet Ham. So what are you waiting for? Gumawa ka na rin and make every meal ham sarap-sarap every day with CDO Sweet Ham.